Well, I'm just replacing this one piece of track clip that went underneath the track, and it was too obscene, and it made the track rickety. But what I found was the reason I did that is the hole. This is a piece of track that I had cut and used from another place or something. But at any rate, as you can see, the hole is there, and the end of track tie is here, and then the tie I want to use on the other track is here, blah, blah, blah. So I needed to have a hole here. Well, this is all one-piece molded plastic. You can't really just move the ties around. So what I have, something I never used until lately, is what's called a pin vise. And it's a vise. You unscrew it, and the jaw's open, and you can change the drill bit size, and it takes very small drill bits. And you just drill by hand. You think, oh my God, what's that? No, well, you know, it's not bad. So I measured the diameter of the wire with my calipers, and then I found a drill bit that fits a little over. I think they're 90, and this is like 110, 0.9 and or 0.09 and 0.11 millimeters or something like that. Anyway, it's real small, and it works. Okay, see, this fits in the old hole. So now I go down here. This is the end of the track. That's the first tie. There's the second tie right about in the middle. It doesn't have to be too precise. So you hold it down like that, and then you spin it. And you think, oh my God, it's going to take forever. But it really doesn't. You just drill down. The bits are small, but if you keep them sharp or keep them clean, it's really hard for me to sharpen a bit. I usually grind the bit down to a stub, throw it away, and go buy a new one. But as you can see, the plastic is coming out. We're drilling down. We're going to get through. Boom, I went right down to the foam, and then I pull it out. And there's a hole. Watch this. Here's my wire. This is a scrap wire, okay. There's the hole I need to mate to. There's the new hole. Look at that. It goes right down. So now I can make my little clip like these and fit that in there. And this will be level and tight, and it'll work great. So just thought I'd show you this plastic tie. You know, it looks pretty neat, and yeah, it lends itself. And also, if you wanted to do, I use this for backing. This is black contact paper. So I cut it into the arc, and then I put it down, I set it down, and then I just use acrylic, silicone caulk to glue down about every other foot, something like that, the track. I'm also going to wire it through the bottom, so I do too, but that's because I wear suspenders and belts sometimes too. At any rate, I'm going to fix this. I'm going to put this down, put this back down, and then this will be ready to finish. Put down all the other artistic, architectural functions and features, and then I can mount all my stuff hidden over there and hidden over there. Put all that stuff back on for what we call the display of this, and then run the train and blah, blah, blah. It'll be fun. You'll love it. Okay, I'll show you a video later. But this track is pretty cool. These clips can be used, and if you cut the track for length, you can make a hole and make it a clip, and it works. And pin vises are not expensive, and they're really cool. And you can get a box of bits cheap, and the bit, one or two of these things, right size, boom. You can drill by hand. It's not that bad. And if you, I use that for the handrails in my engines. I have a different wire, and I just bend that wire, and I slide it in with a little epoxy or a little super glue, and bingo. You can have handrails. You can use this for lots of drilling, small holes for screws if you need to fasten something together. These are handy and precise, because you could really, two hands put on it, and you're not using a machine that can drill straight through something into your hand or something like that. Okay, later.